Hello, thank you for watching the Kempler design vlog. I've done lots of videos about shutters and about motorization and about hard to reach locations, but I've never done a video about how to use a wand in order to control a shutter. And as you can see, this has quite a bit of obstacle in the way. Yeah, can I reach here? I sure can. Can I reach the other side? Yes, but the middle, especially I'm 6'2", so it's hard for me to reach the inside. The people that are a little shorter, even harder time. But with the wand, and I'm going to just come right up here so you can see it. The wand gives you the ability, and it's soft and cushy. You can see it bends. So the whole idea is that it's designed to not damage these shutters because they're stained. So the way that it works, and there's a number of ways, it has a little ridge right here, so you can put that right on here and move it, a little bit, just by putting it on there gently. You can make small changes, or you can put that hook portion on the edge and you can pull it down like this. You can push the whole thing. As a rule, it is recommended that you put the wand near the center. So in other words, to start this, how do you do it? Could you go in here and grab it? Yes. But I'll show you another option. You can just push a little bit. And by pushing, then you can level it out. So there are a lot of ways to use it, but the nice thing is you don't have to climb into, I'll come down here. You don't have to climb into the tub in order to work it if you use the wand. And it comes in different lengths. This 3 or 5 feet, if I recall. This is the 5-footer. See, I can prove I'm 6'2". Okay, I'm having fun, but great looking shutters, and give you an opportunity to see them, just so you get a feel for the overall look. And they blend in really nicely with the cabinetry, the trim on the outside, and the customer is really, really happy. Thank you for watching the Kempler Design Vlog.